coming up later on the channel. Check this out with the Worx Hydroshot 56bar and a water broom. So this is the tools we need to do the job. First up, we need a container full of water with a hose pipe into it. Or if you're off-site, then just use the container just with water. And that is your siphoning tube, ready for your Worx Hydroshot. One of the first tools you need is the Worx Hydroshot 56bar. You can use the 25 bar, but it's not as good. Next up, you need a snow foam gun with some snow foam in it. Also, you need some pre-wash solution. Well, this is the one I've got. This is from Easy, and it dilutes 10 parts of water to 1 part citrus. Next up is a water broom for a pressure washer. Now this is specially designed for under vehicles. It comes with 4 nozzles. Also with it is 3-piece extension ones. The actual maximum PSI for this model is 4,000. Now this particular broom only cost around about £40. So let's have a good look under the vehicle. Now, as you can see, it doesn't look dirty, does it? But believe me, that has actually got a lot of sandy salt on it. Now, because obviously it's been used in the winter times, and I know we've had a lot of water around. Look, there we go. It doesn't seem a lot. There is dirt on it. Start off by attaching our water to our Worx Hydroshot. Now attach our extension wands and also our snow foam gun. This is what we're going to be doing first. We're going to go under the vehicle with our snow foam. Now included in this snow foam, I've also added some pre-wash into it, and just make sure you cover the base of your vehicle. What's nice about the Hydroshot, it has got enough power to boost that snow foam under the vehicle. Now we'll set up our water broom. Very easy to connect. It's a 1/4 inch quick connector between them all. It's that simple. Right, now we'll get under the vehicle with our water broom. Once again, it's easier to start from the outside and work down. Now do make sure your Hydroshot is actually on full pressure and not on eco mode. And if you're enjoying what you're watching, please subscribe. Now look at the height of the water. This is really doing a good job. I am actually quite surprised how well this is actually doing the job. Just look at that. Look how high that water's going. Look, that is really fetching the dirt off underneath. That's getting rid of all that salt. I mean, basically you haven't got a lot of room under a vehicle anyway, but I wouldn't expect this to do the same type of job under a 4-wheel drive or a van. Dare to say, I haven't tried it under the van, but under the car, you can see this is working really, really well. And I'm highly recommending this. Just look at that. That is a lot of water. And that's just coming out of that 56-bar Hydroshot. Next up, it's going to be cleaning the driveway. So we'll see how good this Hydroshot with the broom is working out on a driveway. Believe me, I am actually quite surprised this Hydroshot 56-bar is this good. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. Laters! Steel wand like this. Simple. And then all we need to do is start it up.